For cheap and legit coins, go to FIFACoinUTStore.com.
Worthless. Embarrassing. Just plain dumb. I can't escape. The worms and eggshells brought me to tears. The hot sauce made me piss myself. What must I do? How can I redeem myself? There's only one way.
You've got no friends!
All I want is bitches. Big booty bitches.
Now, given that I'm playing against Malfoy, right, the rules are going to be a little bit different. Whoever loses the match does the forfeit. And my friends, right, the forfeit in this episode, I got this imported from Thailand, yeah. Shitty scorpion. It's an actual legitimate scorpion, look at it. Wait, it's not shit itself, has it? Now the loser has to eat the whole scorpion, right? Neck it completely. I'm being Madrid. He's being Borussia Dortmund.
Only come alive in big games.
Or
Cause I hit you with the chop, Ronaldo chop. You ain't gonna
referee, that is a red card. Nah. What? No, yellow card. Nah. Wait, you can just see where I'm gonna pass it.
Don't give a fuck.
Okay. Oh!
Get down, go down. Getting dominated. Top of these are 88. Oh, what the Oh, wow. If you score from this. No, you've actually had a shot this game.
Di Maria whips it in. Hello!
Actually won that corner
No,
yourself.
won it fair and square, mate. Benzema, he can't grow hair, but he scores goals for fun.
Because that's legitimately even Benzema that scored, you spastic.
Oh, goal! That's gone off!
The line.
Oh, Di Maria! Oh, big please!
Bitch, please.
Fuck! Right, so Theo, have you got a girlfriend at the moment?
No.
Wait, I thought you do.
Put this in video, I'm gonna kill you.
Wait, don't you have a girlfriend?
Nope.
What's her name, Theo?
Don't have a girlfriend.
Is it Janine, Theo?
Don't have a girlfriend.
Benzema is a spastic. Malfoy, have you ever been tempted to ask out Hermione Granger? Have you? Come on, tell me! You can tell me anything! Slytherin!
Oh my god. Gundogan! Gundogan!
Seriously, I won't. Fear, seriously. Wait, what?
Oh, I can't take this if it goes to penalties.
You're taking a bit of crabby, crusty crab scorpion fuck in your gullet. So this is it. It's gone to extra time. Well, it's set up for boys to finish it. No, it's not. Fuck. Oh, brah. I should have sweat. I should have sweat.
Oh, mate, if you had trumped, I literally would have walked out this room. I would have walked out this room and gone.
Look how I had it. Oh. Ref! Penalty! Nah, because your balls have dropped. Bailed.
Oh, it's going to go penalties, isn't it? Oh!
Look, we're gonna have to eat Sullivan. I don't want to eat Sullivan. I went primary school with him. He's a good lad. Oh, this is such AIDS. This is. I don't even know how to take penalties for shit. Yes! Come on! Because I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, before you take it, how do you move the keeper? How do you move the keeper? Because I don't know.
Wait, hang on, I need to take it.
No, mate.
Go
mate.
left stick.
No, how do you take? No,
You
I
literally
don't
did
know.
right stick, move it.
Yeah, but Theo, that you've just like I said, could you not take it? Because
It was gonna take it by accident. It was gonna take it anyway.
Oh fuck's sake, man! I don't know how to move the goalkeeper. That's what I'm saying.
Right stick.
I don't know how to take these penalties. This is such AIDS.
How long have you had FIFA?
I've never had to do this.
Right stick.
No, I don't know what I'm doing. This is ruining my life. This is so good. Oh no, Di Maria. Fuck, the lights turned off.
Wait, it's no time for the light. There is no time. This is.
I don't know what I'm doing. This is so. I'm just gonna miss all this time. What the fuck is Cassius doing? That's the biggest kind of bullshit. He's just like, oh, this is not. Wait, have you won? Oh, nah, that's please successful. Nah.
What's the forfeit if you lose this game? Oh, you fucking Roger the Scorpion.
It's Sullivan. Right, guys. So what you've just seen is probably the definition of fucking AIDS. Alright? I mean, bullshit. But anyways, it's now time.
Oh, you're touching it. Oh.
I just want to quickly reiterate, right? Wait, look at all the little shit on it.
Oh, it's making me cringe so much.
He's had a night out and freaking he's puked up on himself.
We like to eat with Weller, 'cause Weller is our mate. We like to eat with Weller, he gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, you spilled it. Oh, there's scorpion all over you. Oh, don't. Wait, you missed a bit. Eat it all. Oh, it's all over your floor. Oh, there's a leg sticking out your mouth.
Nah.
Nah, apparently it tastes like chicken.
That was fucking revolting.
Is that a brain on the floor?
It's like your aftertaste is what's worse.
You didn't realise you've just eaten a scorpion brain on your carpet.
What do you want in your
So, just me and you. Me and you. Any questions? Just ask me away. Tweet me at @TheOBaker, so you spell it. YouTube comments, sub to me.
Wait, mate, what the fuck are you doing?
Just talking to me and my subs.
Alright. Right, so guys, Malfoy's just come to me and said, I want to try the 357 Mad Dog hot sauce.
Still think you're putting it on a little bit,
That I used in the last brutal FIFA episode. Make sure you check that out. Basically, this stuff is lethal. He reckons I was being a pussy. Well, mate, have as much as you fucking want.
What? No.
Yeah, put it in. He's put it all in. Oh god, right. No. Not yet. Get in. No, fear. It's fake. Fear.
I need to spit.
Look in. No, fear, what are you doing? No,
I don't need to spit.
No, you don't spit on my floor. What a melon! No, Theo, don't spit on my floor, you dick.
I'm gonna chug.
No, don't chug.
2 hours later.
How's it going, Theo? You look alright? I don't like this. An El Gato game capture H your mum D. Yeah, right, the D bit is very important, okay? Yeah, this is, you could win this.
If I found a way